Greetings to you all, and we are so glad to have you back on this channel just like always. So my people, on today's video we are still talking about the tremendous progress of road infrastructures in hinterlands all around Anambra State as of today. And right here we are at the Abagana-Nimo road that was recently completed by the Anambra State government. Seriously, to be sincere with you, we have not had such transformation happen in such manner before now. So I'm going to take you through this road and you will see how far it has come. Already the project has come to completion. Okay, so we are going to go through here up till the Nimo town and you will see what these roads look like. And I must also commend the state government for this kind of gesture it is doing in Anambra State, trying to connect all the rural roads in the state. A lot of rural roads are being constructed right now and a lot have been completed already. So watch this video to the end and let's go through this road and see what it currently looks like. And just in case you are just coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. See you at the end of this video.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now that's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave, miss. I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Everything she want to, man.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait me back.
Love it up.